Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then, first, iron or epithelial deposition of iron. Okay, where does this iron deposition occurs? We have flesher ring. In flesher ring, iron deposition will occur in keratoconus in the form of flesher ring. Iron deposition will occur in the form of flesher ring. Second, we have Hudson-Stahl line. In Hudson-Stahl line, iron deposition has Hudson-Stahl sign in idiopathic conditions. Okay, iron deposition can occur as Stocker's line in pterygium. So it occurs as Stocker's line in pterygium. Iron deposition occurs in the Stocker's line in pterygium. Then we have iron deposition occurs in the Ferris line in filtering bleb. Iron deposition occurs in the Ferris line in filtering bleb. Siderosis occurs in iron foreign body. Siderosis or iron occurs due to the has deposition of foreign body. Iron deposition has siderosis occurs in foreign body. So this is iron or epithelial deposition.
thank you and thank you for watching.